Hello tech lovers, welcome here to my channel. This is Techwithbunmi, and in today's video I'm going to be giving us what to do, how to make money with chat GPT. Okay, because in this era of 2023 we need to make money. If you don't know about my channel, I give you legit way to make money online. Okay, so have you been wondering of being a publisher? Do you want to publish a book and you don't even know how to publish the book? Then you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving us some juicy secrets on how to write the book from scratch under 10 minutes to finish. And even if you're thinking of, oh, I don't even have a topic at hand right now, but you have the idea, then all you need to do is watch this video while I give you the full tutorials on it with ChatGPT. So if you've not signed up for it, you need to sign up for it. I'm going to be putting us through on everything right now. So without any further ado, just let's dive straight to the main tutorials for today. And please do not forget to like this video, share it out, and please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Like this video so that the YouTube algorithm is going to recognize this video and show it to more people that will need this video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive to the main tutorials for today. So tech lovers, if you've not signed up for your chat GPT, then you need to sign up for it. But if you already signed up, just click on login. For you to sign up, just follow the procedures. It's going to ask you for your phone number and send you, just for the security purpose, right? And send you a code to verify the account that is yours, and you have to verify your email address also. So you can either log in, or no, you can sign up with your email address, or you sign up with Google or any of the emails that you have. Okay, just follow the procedure. So I already signed up. So you sign up by creating your account, and you click I'm not a robot, then you create your account, and or you continue with Google, or if you have a Microsoft account, you continue with Microsoft account. So I already signed up, so I'm going to log in now to my account, and it's saying I'm not a robot. So I'll click continue. Okay. So this is the platform, this is the chat GPT that is going to make us money in 2023. I bet you don't want to miss this, and please subscribe to this channel, because you need to start making money before a lot of people know about this AI tools. Okay, so now we want to create a book. I want to write an ebook, and I want chat GPT to help me out. I don't want to stress myself. I just want to type, and it's going to give me what I want. Okay, so before you can write an ebook, you just don't come here and summarize. You want your books, you want it to be unique, and you want it to stand out. So it must have a title, it must have chapters, and you start elaborating and you conclude your write-up, and voila, you have an ebook. Now and I want this chat GTP to generate a title for my ebook, and you kindly watch to the end. Okay, so I'm going to be typing generate a killer title for WhatsApp monetization. I already typed generate a killer title for WhatsApp monetization, and I'm going to click on enter. Okay, and as you can see, it's giving us a few ideas for killer titles for WhatsApp monetization. Unleash the power of WhatsApp for your business, maximize your profits with WhatsApp monetization, transform your WhatsApp into money-making machine, discover the secrets to success WhatsApp market monetization, elevate your business with WhatsApp monetization strategy. So right now, if you don't like all this title, then you come here and you type give more ideas, give more killer title. Okay, so sure, yeah, some of the killer title. Take your business to the next level with WhatsApp monetization. So now we have 10 topics with us, so we're going to choose one from this topic. So out of these 10 titles, I'm going to choose take your business to the next level with WhatsApp monetization. So I'm just going to highlight it here, right? And I will copy and I will come to this place. Then I would paste it here and I'm going to write give give me short title or shorten this title. Let's say shorten this title for me. Title for me. Okay. So as you can see, it's already shortened the title for us. I chose this, take your business to the next level with WhatsApp monetization. Here are the few shortened versions of this title, take your business to the next level. So it's going to boost your business with WhatsApp monetization. WhatsApp monetization, the key to success. Maximize your business growth with WhatsApp monetization, the ultimate guide, elevate your business with WhatsApp. So now I'm going to choose this first one because I think I like it. Boost your business with WhatsApp monetization. So this is what we'll be using as our book title. Okay, so I'll copy it, then I'll come to my Google Doc and I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to increase it, like give it, enlarge it, to bolden it so that I will know that is the title. Then I'm going to bold it, right? So this is our title of our ebook. Okay, so now let's go back to Chat AI. So I already copied this. So I want to generate chapters for my book. Okay, so now I'm going to tell this chat to generate for me chapters. So I'm going to write generate generate 10 chapters for this topic. Okay, then I put it here. I paste. As you can see, it's generating the chapter for us. Introduction to WhatsApp monetization, understanding the target audience, developing a monetization strategy, utilizing WhatsApp features for monetization, generating revenue through customer communication, maximizing sales with WhatsApp marketing, generating and selling digital products on WhatsApp, offering services and consultation via WhatsApp, managing and tracking your WhatsApp monetization effort, and conclusion, next step for continued success with WhatsApp monetization. So basically this is it. So now I'm going to copy this. This is our introduction and I'm going to copy this and paste it on our Google Doc, right? So I'm going to paste it here. So now I'm going to be taking each chapter by chapter and I'm going to be giving it to ChatGPT to give me the explanation, give me the write-up for my ebook. So now I'm going to take it from here, or I can take it from here, right? Then copy, then I paste it here, and I paste, and I enter. Okay, as you can see, it's giving me the introduction. Introduction to WhatsApp monetization could cover the following topic. WhatsApp, what is WhatsApp monetization and how does it work? The benefit of monetizing your WhatsApp business account, different monetization methods and strategy for WhatsApp, tips for getting started with WhatsApp monetization, real life example of business that have successfully monetized their WhatsApp account, a brief overview of the rest of the guide and what readers can expect to learn about boosting their business with WhatsApp marketing. Basically, you can actually write any topic with this chat GPT. You can actually write any topic, okay, of your choice. If any type of topic, depression, soulmate, any type of thing, it has gotten you. But I want more because I want to write an ebook that is bulky and I want to sell it. I can sell it as an ebook, I can sell it as an ad copy, and I can also upload. I will tell you the trick at the end of this video. If I'm going to upload it on Amazon KDP and also publicize it to online space for sales. So now I want more of this. So I need to generate more write-up. So give me more detailed, more detailed, give me more detailed write-up. So because of this, so I'm going to copy this before that is finished because I need to put it here. I will need to put it here and I'll just come here and paste it. Right, I'm going to delete some stuff. So I'm going to put here chapter 1, my chapter 1, and this is what is in chapter 1, and I'm going to center it so that our book will be ready as we're doing it. But I'm not going to be giving us everything right here. I'm just showing us an example, right? So this gave me more elaboration, which I'm still going to add to it for the introduction, and I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to copy it and paste it in my Google Doc, okay? And paste it here, my introduction. As you can see, our book is coming up. So I'm going to tell it to generate another more responses to me. So I'm going to say it should elaborate more because I need more points in that chapter 1. I don't want it to be very scanty. Elaborate more. And it's giving us more. One of the key ways businesses can monetize their WhatsApp account is by selling products or services directly through the app. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as setting up a WhatsApp store, right? Yeah, it's elaborating for me. This is what I want. And if you read and you decide that, oh, I don't like this write-up, then you can regenerate response. Let's see, maybe this will be better. So there are several ways to monetize WhatsApp account. The best method for you will depend on your business goals and target audience. I think this is more better. So basically, this is how to write a book. If you're not satisfied with this one, you can you can tell Chat GPT to elaborate more, to give you more options to it, and you put it on your Google Doc. You copy and paste on your Google Doc. And I'm going to do one more thing before I end this video right now. So tech lovers, are you liking this video? Are you getting value from this video? Please give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and please share out this video. Someone will need this video. Let's make this money in 2023, okay? I want to check the plagiarism of this write-up, if I can actually use it to make money, okay? So now I'm going to write, is this plagiarism free? Then you will see it's giving us the information. So it says, yes, the information provided is original and is not copied from any other source. As an AI language model, I do not have access to external source and generate responses based on my training data, which consists of a wide range of publicly available text. Isn't this amazing? Oh my God. So what are we waiting for? So now let's go to Fiverr. You can open Fiverr or Upworks. So now let me just put up write a book. Write a book. Okay. So as you can see, we have different people here that they are ready to make money. This person is actually writing a book for $783 Canadian dollars. Then is science fiction and fantasy ghost writing in Spanish. If you don't know, let me know if you want a video on that. Chat GPT can actually write in any form of languages, English, French, Chinese, any form of languages. Okay, so let me know if you want the video. So this person is actually making $113 Canadian dollars, and it says, I would brilliantly write your personalized I need to open this to check it. Your personalized children's story kit book. Okay, so then this is a ghost book and ebook writer, right? I will write ghostwriter 30,000 words, ebook as a ghost book writer. So basically, and you can see they have 75 reviews, 9 reviews, 14 reviews, 20 reviews. If you go to Fiverr and you check, and the competition is not too much. We have 7,655 service available. So this is what you can actually create a gig on and start making your money. Okay? I hope you get something from this video. So now this is the I'm going to finish this up. Basically right now I've written up to 9 pages. So I'm going to go to chapter 2. I'm going to do all this at the background, and I'm going to create an ebook using I will create an ebook cover using Canva, and I will show you the finished work at the end of everything. I'm going to do a separate video and show you my finished job. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. Isn't this amazing? So tell me, did you gain something from this video? Comments below. Are you going to try to create a book in 2023? And guess what? Because it's plagiarism free, you can you can post it on Amazon KDP, you can sell it out, you can create it and put it as an art copy, and you can sell it to the public, and you make your money, and at the same time you can create a gig, okay, on Fiverr or Upwork, and there's guru.com and so many of these gig, so many of these websites that you can create a gig on, and you're good to go. So please subscribe and see you in my next video. Do not forget to watch others of my videos and leave a lovely comment there. Cheers and bye for now.